Your Chevrolet has 11 built-in functions that 99% of drivers never use. Not because they're hard to find, but because Chevy never told you they existed. Today, I'm uncovering all 11, including the one that stops your auto stop start from resetting every time you start your truck. Let's dive right into it. Function. Number 1. Emergency start for a dead key. Fob. You're at a gas station or a parking lot. You press the start button and nothing happens. Most guys immediately think the worst: a dead battery, an electrical problem, a tow truck. But 9 times out of 10, it's just the key fob battery that died, and your Chevy already has a built-in fix. Here's what to do. Inside your key fob is a physical backup key that most owners never knew was there. Pull it out from the base of the fob and use it on the driver's door to get inside. Once you're in, hold that fob directly against the start button and press start as normal. Your Chevy reads a passive transponder chip inside the fob that works even with zero battery power. The vehicle authenticates the key and the engine starts. Chevy built this in specifically so you are never stranded over something as simple as a dead battery. Once you know this, it goes from a panic moment to a 2-minute fix. Next up, and something that's been frustrating Chevy owners for years, and it turns out there's actually something you can do about it. Function number 2. Auto Stop Start Permanent Disable function. Every single time you start your Chevy, Auto Stop Start turns itself back on. You turn it off, drive somewhere, come back, and it's on again. Most Chevy owners are fed up with it, but they have no idea there's actually a fix. Auto Stop Start was never designed with your engine in mind. It was designed to help GM hit government fuel economy targets. Every time it kicks in, your engine restarts from near 0 RPM with minimal oil pressure, and that wear adds up to the equivalent of an extra 12,000 miles per year on your engine. On most modern Chevrolets, go into your vehicle settings and look for Auto Stop Start under Driver Assistance or Engine Settings. Some models let you disable it permanently from there. On others, a simple disable module that plugs into your OBD2 port remembers your preference every time. No wiring, no modifications, under $30. Chevy could have made this a factory-installed option. They chose not to, because a confused owner is an owner who just keeps paying. See function number 3, the hidden infotainment soft reset. A frozen infotainment screen is one of the most frustrating things that can happen in a modern Chevy, and almost every owner's first instinct is to disconnect the battery to fix it. That is the worst thing you can do. But did you know there's a way to fix it in under 30 seconds without touching the battery at all? On most Chevrolet models, just hold down the power or volume knob for 8 to 10 seconds. The screen goes dark and reboots itself, clearing the glitch instantly. No battery disconnect, no dealership visit, no $100 to $300 diagnostic fee for something you just fixed yourself with one button. Because when you disconnect the battery to fix a frozen screen, you're also resetting your transmission learning, your window memory, and your steering calibration, none of which needed to be touched. Chevy quietly built this reset in because they knew these screens would occasionally glitch. They just never made it obvious, because a confused owner is a paying customer. Function number 4, remote start engine protection. Limits. Most Chevy owners think remote start is just a convenience feature, a way to warm up the cabin before you get in. But what's actually happening under the hood is something most people never consider. When you remote start your Chevy, the engine runs differently than when you're sitting behind the wheel. RPM is capped. Throttle is locked out. Transmission engagement is completely disabled. Chevy built these limits in specifically to protect your engine during cold start. When oil hasn't fully circulated, clearances are tighter, and everything is running cold. That's also why the engine shuts off automatically when you open the door without the key present. It isn't a glitch, it's a safeguard. I've seen owners complain that remote start doesn't run long enough. That timer exists to prevent unintentional engine abuse during the most vulnerable phase of operation. Once you understand this, remote start stops being just a comfort feature and starts looking like a genuine engine protection system that Chevy built in and never bothered to explain. Function. Number 5. Remote window. Roll down using your key fob. You're walking back to your truck on a hot summer day. You parked in direct sun for a few hours and you already know what's waiting. That wall of heat the second you open the door. Here's what most owners don't know. To press and hold the unlock button on your key fob for 3 to 5 seconds. and every window rolls down automatically before you even touch the door handle. Chevy built this into the body control module specifically for thermal management. Interior temps in direct sun can exceed 140 degrees Fahrenheit. That heat stresses your plastics, your touchscreen, and forces your AC compressor to work twice as hard at startup. Venting the cabin first reduces that load and protects your electronics long term. And it's completely controlled. The windows stop the moment you release the button or open a door. Once you start using this every summer, it stops feeling like a hidden trick and becomes something Chevy should have told you from day one. And that's just function number 5. Number 6 might actually save you from having to replace a perfectly good battery. If you're finding these useful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I put out videos like this every week that can save you real money and keep you out of the dealership. And drop a comment below. Tell me which Chevrolet you're driving. I read every single one. Alright, let's keep going. Function number 6. Battery Saver Sleep Mode. Ever come back to your Chevy after weeks of parking and it starts up perfectly? That isn't luck. That's a built-in protection system most owners don't know is running quietly in the background. Modern Chevrolets draw power even when parked. Modules stay active, systems stay connected, and that drain adds up fast. So Chevy engineered a battery saver sleep mode that kicks in automatically when the vehicle is locked and left undisturbed. Non-essential modules shut down, background communication slows, and battery drain drops significantly. Here's what you can do before any long trip or extended parking. Lock your vehicle, wait 30 seconds, then press the lock button one more time. On many Chevrolet models, this triggers sleep mode more aggressively, cutting parasitic drain faster than if you just walked away normally. I've seen owners spend $200 to $400 replacing perfectly good batteries because they didn't know this existed. Your battery wasn't failing, it was doing exactly what Chevy designed it to do. Function number 7. Hidden Fuel Economy Display. Most Chevy owners have no idea what their truck is actually consuming on any given drive. They wait until the next fill-up, do the math, and wonder why their MPG keeps disappointing them. But your Chevrolet has been tracking this data in real time the whole time. You just never knew where to find it. Buried inside your driver information center is a real-time fuel economy display that most owners never discover because Chevy doesn't make it obvious from the factory default screen. Scroll through your DIC menu using the steering wheel controls and look for Instant Fuel Economy or Average Fuel Economy. Both are available on most Chevrolet models from 2010 onwards. Here's why this matters for your wallet. Once you can see your consumption in real time, most drivers naturally adjust. Lighter throttle inputs, earlier braking, steadier highway speeds. Studies show this alone can improve fuel economy by up to 15% without any mechanical changes whatsoever. That's real money back in your pocket every single week from a feature that was there the whole time. Function number 8. Hidden Tire Pressure Display. A lot of Chevy owners assume their truck doesn't show individual tire pressures because they never see it on the main dashboard. So they either ignore it completely or make unnecessary trips to the gas station just to check. That assumption is costing them money every single month. Your Chevrolet has real-time tire pressure readings for all 4 tires built right in. Chevy just deliberately buried it inside the driver information center to keep the main cluster clean. Scroll through your DIC menu using the steering wheel controls until you find tire pressure. Every single tire displayed individually in real time without pulling out a gauge or driving anywhere. Here's why this is worth checking every few weeks. Tires that are just 6 to 10 pounds per square inch off their recommended pressure increase braking distance, accelerate tire wear, reduce steering response, and quietly kill your fuel economy. Most owners are driving on incorrect pressures right now and don't even know it. Chevy gave you the tool to fix this without ever leaving your driveway. Most owners just never knew it was there. Function number 9. Power Window Memory Reset. After a battery disconnect, you just changed your battery or disconnected it for any reason. And now, your power windows are acting up. The one-touch auto up is gone. Auto down has disappeared. Sometimes the window moves on its own or stops in the wrong place. Your first instinct is that something broke during the battery change. Nothing broke. Here's what actually happened. Chevy power windows rely on learned position limits stored in the window control module, telling the system exactly where fully open and fully closed are. When battery power is lost, those limits are intentionally wiped for safety reasons, and the window behaves erratically until it relearns them. The fix takes 30 seconds. Fully lower the window all the way down and hold the switch for 3 extra seconds. Then, fully raise it all the way up and hold again for 3 extra seconds. That's it. The system relearns its limits, and your auto function comes straight back. I've seen dealers charge $100 to $200 in diagnostic fees for exactly this. A 30-second fix they're counting on you not knowing. Function number 10, drive mode default logic. You switch your Chevy into sport or tow/haul mode, shut the truck off, come back the next morning, and it's back in normal mode. Most owners assume the system isn't saving their preferences. It is. It's choosing not to obey it. Chevy programs most vehicles to default back to normal mode on every startup deliberately. And here's why. Cold fluid, cold clutches, and cold sensors behave very differently than when fully warmed up. Starting in an aggressive mode increases wear during the most vulnerable phase of operation, when oil hasn't fully circulated and the transmission is still coming up to temperature. Sport and tow/haul modes are designed for situational use once everything is warmed up, not as a permanent startup state. Chevy wants your engine and transmission to stabilize first before you start pushing them harder. This is one of those cases where what feels like the truck ignoring you is actually the truck protecting itself. And every time it resets, it's quietly adding miles to your engine's lifespan. Function number 11, theft deterrent, passive rearm. Most Chevy owners think their vehicle is protected the moment they lock it and walk away. But there's a layer of security built into your Chevrolet that goes well beyond the standard lock, and almost nobody knows it's there. When your Chevy is locked and left undisturbed, the theft deterrent system gradually shifts into a heightened passive rearm state. Motion sensors, door triggers, and the ignition immobilizer all become more sensitive over time, meaning an attempt to break in or hotwire the vehicle after it's been sitting triggers a faster, more aggressive response than if someone tried immediately after you locked it. Here's what you can do to make sure this system is fully active. Go into your vehicle settings and confirm that theft deterrent is enabled and set to its highest sensitivity level. On most Chevrolet models, this takes under 2 minutes to verify. Chevy built this in quietly and never advertised it, because the fewer criminals know about it, the more effective it is. Now, you know it's there. Make sure it's turned on. And that's all 11 hidden functions your Chevrolet has been running in the background. Most of them quietly protecting your engine, your battery, and your wallet without you even knowing it. If you found even one of these useful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I put out videos like this every single week, and drop a comment below. Which one of these 11 surprised you the most? I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.